I'm L.D. Sledge. I am a writer, ghostwriter, and a copywriter. Living wills and wills. A living will is a will that you can actually download by a template off of Google. It's very simple. You can do it yourself, and it designates what to do in the case that you're disabled and not able to take care of yourself, what to do at the hospital, should they unplug you, should they do other surgery, or etc. That instructs those people to do something when you become so disabled you can't take care of yourself. Now, wills is another story. If you're living in Florida, you have a little more strict work to do to get a will done to make it legal. In some states, if you just write it out yourself, it's called a holographic will, it will be fine, and that's it. But in Florida, you're safe if you get a lawyer to do it. But the law of Florida encourages you to get a lawyer and doesn't allow you to do it by yourself, like you're not smart enough to do it by yourself. But you can put it in writing yourself and have it printed with two witnesses that sign it with you and before each other. It has to have certain parts. It has to have beneficiaries, describe the property, that is anything that belongs to you. It has to have an executor, somebody to take care of it, and that type of thing. So it must follow certain formalities here in Florida. If you try to do it yourself, you should look it up and be very careful with that, because this deals with your property at the time of your death and what to happen with it. Okay, that's it, in a nutshell, the law of wills in Florida. I'm from Louisiana. You could just write it on a scrap of paper and that was your will. In Florida, you got to follow formalities.